Today I'm working on a Kubota ZD28 diesel, 0-turn lawnmower. I'm gonna put an alternator belt on, or fan belt. This one here's about had it, going apart. Been on here since it was bought new. So we're gonna put that on. Have a new one here. So on these ZD series mowers, you have a 3-bolt coupler. There's a bolt here, one over here, and one up top here. You have to hold this PTO shaft while you take these bolts out. Move this out of the way, you can take the old belt off and put the new one on, and put this back on. Since these mowers sit so low to the ground, take your loading ramps or set a ramp, put some blocks on them, back up on them. That'll help a lot. Taking that coupler off the bottom. So now we have the coupler off, we can loosen this bolt on the alternator. This bolt down here. Slide the alternator back. The quickest way to get this old belt off is just to cut it. This is a good time to check the water pump and alternator. See if the bearing's bad in it. This one here sounds good. Take your new belt, work it down around the fan. Next thing's going to be done. New coolant bottle. I think it's busted.